everyone, we're going keto today. Today I'll be making keto deviled eggs. What all goes into the keto deviled eggs? 6 large eggs hard boiled, 1/4 cup avocado mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, paprika for garnish, green onions for garnish, and white sesame seeds for garnish. So let's begin. So take your hard-boiled eggs, cut them lengthwise in half. Put your yolk in a bowl, the whites on a platter. I've never had keto deviled eggs before, but I'm thinking it's going to be pretty good. A little bit of yolk in there is not going to affect it too much. And the last egg. Now Dave's very particular on his deviled eggs. He likes mustard and mayonnaise. I'll set the egg whites aside, then take your bowl of yolks and then add your 1/4 cup of avocado mayonnaise. It's actually avocado oil. This is actually certified for paleo and keto diets. Then add your 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Dave likes the yellow mustard in his deviled eggs, so we'll see on this too. It will surprise me if he likes it, but he has fooled me before. And then add salt and pepper to taste. Then just smush everything together. All right, so I tasted it and didn't add any salt at all, and it has an odd salty-like taste, which I'm assuming is the avocado oil. Put your filling in the egg whites. I'm doing it off to the side, and I didn't even know I wasn't in the frame there. Next, we will sprinkle paprika on the top, garnish it with the paprika. Then we'll sprinkle the white sesame seeds on top. We'll take, and you can use the onion greens ends of it, but I like the whites better. But for being pretty and garnishing, the greens would be better. We'll put this in the refrigerator until Dave comes home and he can do a taste test. So here is the keto deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal is keto breaded baked chicken. Let's see what Dave thinks. It's the eggs. Keto deviled eggs.
I was just about to ask you, are these real, regular deviled eggs?
They are not.
Okay. Well, they're not vinegar.
Nope, there's no vinegar in them.
These are actually pretty good.
And then the chicken is also keto. That is made with, instead of regular flour, it's made with almond flour. Instead of panko crumbs, it is made with the panko pork rind crumbs.
It looks crunchy.
I hope so.
Those eggs are good. I don't know what makes those keto compared to like regular eggs, but those are really close to a regular deviled egg as far as I can tell.
It uses avocado oil mayonnaise. That's about the only difference.
The chicken's good too. There's a nice little crunch to this. It's probably the pork rinds. Well, these are both a winner. I like both of them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.